Welcome to Online Learning with Rana. I am your instructor Rana Shahzad. Where we are creating a CMS. In a previous lecture, we create some HTML to insert our category and brand into database. So in this part of our lecture, we will insert some data from front end to our database. So let's start our business. First of all, we have to configure some files. Okay, I will configure some helper and a library that codeigniter provides us. So it's a default helper and library. Um, okay, you can go to config folder and click on autoload. So the library that will autoload we will set here, which will be a form validation, because we do not manually want a form validation. We'll use the library of codeigniter to validate our form underscore validation control s. So in the same way we will require a form helper. So form, and also take a file that will be required maybe in the future. So two configuration I have did. One is I load a library of form validation, and second I autoload the form helper that will be used in in our controller class. So and I already autoload our model, common model that we have created in a login system. That will be when we create our login system. So we will already create a model, common model, where this is the same file that will be in the model exactly. So name model. So why I am doing this, I can manually add in every file our model class and our library and helper. So to do my work fast and furious like that, so I have, because these files will be required, and in every file, in every controller that will be create for category, brand, products, customer. So once and all I autoload all these library helper. Okay, so click on common model. We have already created a common model in a login system. It's a simple, very simple, just like a controller. uh, in the same way we will create a file class, a common model. The first letter will be capital, and it will extend a CI model class that will be the parent class of model. So we will the file, the class we have created, common model, is a child, will be a child of a CI model class, that is a coordinator parent file class. So same the same way constructor and parent and all that, we have once created a function get record. It is used in a login system. So we will create our new function here. Before that I have set it all that. Okay, model and configuration all. Then go to your controller category. Okay, all the things set. Okay, now let's start our function. So before that I will explain you add category. This function is used to send some data that we will use in our view file. So this function is used to some data into our view class. Now we will when we will receive data from our view, just under like that, under view admin, and view it is our insert category. So this is our view. So that function we use to send some data like title and login information to our view, and now this information is received in a view class, and we just echo title, and the session will be in our header class. So when we submit our farm data, where it will go to the function that we will create add new successfully. So okay, got my point, and I think you will be clear about that. Okay, now let's start. Function add new underscore successfully. Sign the reference to this function, farm underscore validation to set rules. What will be the rules? Number one, cat underscore name, that is the title name in our view class. So set it to cat name and required. So we are saying our session this cat name when it is empty. So prompt to user that this field is required. This is a form validation in a codeigniter. This function is used. We call our form validation set rule. So okay, now take input kept in data will be a array, will be a cat underscore title. This cat title name will be the same that we have set in our database. So the column name, category title, must be the same as it is in a database. Okay, cat title reference this input post cat underscore name, closing. So we are getting a input field value from our view class. This input field, whatever the value the user will given in farm, so we will get it through input. This is the way to get value from view class. This input pose and the string of that we have set in a view, which is a category name. So okay, now let's second we have input date into database. So date, and again the name must be the column name that we have set in a database, cat date is equal to date function, which is a built-in PHP function that we are using. Okay, give the format year. First it will show year, second will be show it will show month, and third it will show day, and after that or colon minute and colon second, and this will be the format that we insert into our database. Okay, now we play with the form validation. If this form underscore validation, and we will use the function run, when it will run, and comparison operator. What the hell is this? False. And okay, commented and function. Okay, when this form validation, we use a function run. When it runs and gives the answer is equal to false, means if the user does not input any field, and obviously the final result will be false. So if it is false, because when user does not input any field, we will show some error, some in notification. Okay, please input your the form field is required, so please input. Okay, what will to show that we will set in our session which we want to show user this session set underscore flash data. This method is used to flash the data and print wherever you want it. Okay, give it string page added. Through this string we will catch this flash data and in our view, and we will print it. And what do you have to print? Comma, give another string, and in a div variable, give him class which will be an error. We have set this class as CSS error, error error. Close your div tag, sorry, here, close your div tag and print what you want to print. Okay, give the string, please enter category name, and close the statement. I think there is will be no error. We have said, let me check, flash data page edit string and another string, and we have set a div, and div I didn't div we have to, my battery is low, I have to, okay, close that div and we'll set in later. So viewers, my battery is low. I have to quit my lecture right now. So I will see you in the next lecture right from here that where we left. So have a good time. Take care. Keep liking and sharing. Do writes and give me a comments and feedback if you like my videos. Take care.